this is Cherie for Just Nailed It, and this is my docu-series, Learning Acrylics. This week, we are going to be playing with some Igel Beauty, the Nail Junkies, Coconut White, or Coconut Milk. I'm very sorry about that. I love this white. It's white. This is Screaming Green, DD68. You can use it as a dip or as an acrylic. I've already been playing with it, so I don't really need to shake it or stir, but if you have it, then you should. Always, your colors, give them a good little swirl with a toothpick, something before you begin. Burp your brush. Now, the Nail Junkie, she's been looking for a green of this shade, so this is technically why I'm doing this video, to show her this color. I've showed it to her in a DM, the picture, but I want to do a marble with it. Let her see how, oh, and then I lose my bead. Let her see how it works, how it looks. So we're going to do a marble with it. I'm going to attempt to. Whoops. So we're just going to swirl it around a little bit. Keep it up on your nail. Now with this glove on, I'm having a hard time holding these nails. I should say the nails, the stands. Whoops. Shoot. Having a little bit of bumble thumbs here. I'm going to try and let this slow down the nail some before I ever have to add anything yet. Here we are. With being a marble, I don't want to pull, drag. Oh, I'm losing these beads in here left and right. Let me remove these. Oh wow, I got 3 of them in here. Having a hard time holding on to my beads. So I'm not going to call them balls. Oh my God. Lord help me here. A little bit too much going on there. Do want to let it flow down the nail a little bit. I am going to take it and feather it backwards. To blend, to blend, to blend. I did not have a smooth transition here. Whoops, shoot. So, it was being a marble, I can't go back over it with the colors. I'm hoping that the clear is going to take care of it. So I'm gonna show you this here again. Hopefully I was not afraid. I wasn't looking, I'm sorry. I'm gonna put that down there for a second. On to my second nail. I'm only doing 2 nails here. I've done 3 off camera. One I did a solid green. I did 2 other marbles, which I will show you at the, not the end, but when I'm done applying the acrylic. And you do want to take the edge of your brush when you're trying to swirl. I'm heavy-handed, so I do have a problem with that. That's why I'm trying to, I like to marble. I love the way it looks. But I know I've done a couple. I'll probably continue to do a couple here and there. I just love the way it looks. It's something I definitely want to work on and get better at. I know I should be doing this on my flexi hand, getting Harley Marie out, but I'm filming this probably a couple hours before it's gonna go up. Yeah, there's a big transition there. That's not good. Clean my brush here really good. I'm going to try and level this out, but I don't know how well it's going to look. Oh, I'm not even in frame, am I? This whole time I'm working it and I'm out of frame. I'm terribly sorry. This is my second nail. Just a little bit closer. See this mess all over here on my glove? This is the first nail again. I'm going to put a clear on it. It is not level. We got some lumpy bumpies going on, so I'm hoping the clear helps that out a lot. Gonna drain my bead a little bit. And let it flow down the nail. Hopefully leveling out the nail of my acrylic, my lumpy and my bumpies. Hit your nails, or hit the acrylic inwards. Don't pull, don't drag. So I'm trying to, you know, keep it level here. Oh shoot, I did not just do that. Talk about a brain fart. Since we go to clear and I went in with the white. Good Lord Almighty. I talk about a huge mistake that it would have been. Try to level it out, feather it in. Oh, we got some overflow here. I guess that's how that happens. see if I can stay in frame. My buffing, my filing, I will be doing off camera because it looks like there's going to be a lot of it. Try to clean my brush a little bit. I'm going to go with another bead. I want to be getting parched. Oh Lord, I'm having trouble staying in frame today, aren't I? I don't like covering over the other acrylic, but that's where I'm centered at. Alrighty. Let me do that. The clear I'm using is the Modelones clear. I do like it. Again, this is the Screaming Green by Igel Beauty. I bought this like, a little bit before I became an ambassador for the Nail Junkie. This was on sale, 60% off, so I paid like $5 for this. I don't know how big it is. Let me see here. I can't see it. 2 ounces. Made in the USA. So that's cool. So here are 2 marble nails. I'm going to let these set in quotations. And then I'll be doing some filing. We'll be back. We are back. If you are now just jumping in and joining me, my docu-series Learning Acrylics. I use Screaming Green and Coconut Milk by the Nail Junkie. Screaming Green is by Igel Beauty to do some marbling. So we have laid our acrylic. I have buffed and filed. We're at the stage now where we're going to top coat. We are going to throw in Miss Princess Nails by Diana's Own Diva in a Bottle. It is a no white top coat. It is thick. It is shiny. And I love it. Love, love, love. I think I wet my brush off too much though. Let me take a look here. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. At the end of your nail. I want them out of frame already. It's my theme for today. Out of frame. Out of frame. Evie, I hope you like this green. I think you should definitely check it out. I don't think you'll be disappointed. I mean, I think it's the shade you're looking for. You tell me. What does he think? I think it's beautiful as a marble, all on its own. I am going to be giving these a full cure, and my lamp is 108 watts. Because I'm putting the top coat on kind of, I mean, it's not that quick. I'm going to give it a little bit longer of a cure. I'll do the full 60. These are beautiful, I really do. I'm not putting any bling on them, I'm leaving them stand on their own. So I'm going to pop these in and we will be right back. Okay, we are back. Look how beautiful those are, how nice glossy they are. That's why I love this top coat, it's so shiny. I think the marble turned out really well. Let me comment down below, let me know what you think of my marbling. Let me know what you think of the two colors together. I love the Screaming Green, it is great for summertime, but I know it's the dead of winter. Especially since it's snowing outside right now. We're getting like, I don't know, 2 to 4 they say. Whatever. So please subscribe to my channel. Click the bell, click all. That way you get notified of all future uploads. I upload 3 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. Tuesdays you see is my docu-series, Learning Acrylics. Thursday's a crapshoot. I could be doing anything on Thursday, and Saturday is She Modern Saturday, where I do a She Modern manicure every Saturday. So please check those out. You can check out, I have different playlists. You can check it out. You can, my videos has everything, but I've got everything broke down into different categories. So check that out. Check out the Nail Junkie. She is here on YouTube. I will put a link up in the top of the screen for her. Well, this is the end of our video. See you next time. Have yourselves a blessed day, and thank you.